of my head.
Okay, it's recording. We're live.
All right.
With the live, Mom. No, I'm just kidding.
I'm alive. Woo!
Okay, all ready?
Okay.
Let me look. Crack it a little bit.
Has it helped with your tires being a little bigger, Milo?
Oh yeah. Helps a lot. I'm gonna scope the area first
Okay.
for any cops.
Okay.
They always like to come out here, especially.
To catch all the speed demons.
Just making sure he's not parked over there. Usually he parks over there.
You have your brakes on?
Yeah. Let's see. Alright. You ready? I'm gonna count it down.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep.
3, 2,
2, 1.
1.
Ooh, that's a nice little rush.
Roller coaster. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm not going too fast. Just so you get the feel.
Yeah.
Turn around. What do you think?
Love it, mijo.
It's fun, huh?
Yeah.
A lot better than my last car. Last one, or one of the last ones, ready?
Now I can see why Esty would have a field day.
Yeah, he will.
Why he wants one.
He wants one?
He doesn't want like a Corvette, mijo. He wants a Charger.
Oh, yeah.
But he wants like the Hellcat.
Really?
Yeah.
That'd be fun. That was fun, Mom. What if I like a roller coaster?
All right, Essie's turn.
Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna have so much fun. He might not even want to get out of the car. Your turn, my lovey.
Alright, I'm driving.
Oh, shit, hell no, you're not.
So that button and then push out.
He's got Lambo doors, bro.
Lambo doors.
Don't go too crazy. I got bad luck.
No, don't worry. It's not that bad. Like these tires grip. They don't spin a lot.
lovey.
Not like my last ones. Alright. Say hi to the camera.
Just do it.
I'll do the same thing as Mom. Just go around. I don't do a pull right here at first because the road's not really that good right here. And then I go scope out and make sure there's no cops over here. And I have it on quiet mode right now so that it's not too loud.
What does quiet mode mean?
Like the exhaust is closed, so it's quiet.
How do you close it?
The valves of dumps, basically, or what do they call it? Cutouts.
Huh. Is that something that was
super loud.
modified, or was it come with the car?
Yeah, modified. Yeah.
Is that kind of normal probably with
A
the...
little bit, but not really. But I think maybe because of the compression, it's 9 to 1. But you can feel how
She kind of...
it grabs though. That's what traction off. So that's good. These tires were good. You can smell the rubber, but they were a good addition. But I can make it loud. Just with the switch.
Oh, there it is, yeah.
And it screams. You can hear that LS7 screaming.
Man, that motherfucker sounds way different. Woo! Fucking Holmes.
That's not even fully open. It's because one of them's stuck.
Are you gonna park in the driveway? Or are you gonna park right here?
I'm just gonna park in front of him.
Oh, okay.
Hey, what's up, Holmes? My homeboy's got the heater right here.
Well, how was that, my love?
My eyeballs went to the back of my head.
Can she take that after drinking alcohol?
Yeah.